Kisumu.
Away from that, Interior Cabinet Secretary Professor Kithure Kindiki has said that his ministry is currently investigating the emergence of the outlawed Mukingi sect. Now, the CS says the outlawed group is waking up slowly thanks to the politicians, adding that there will be prosecutions. Kindiki says there will not be a repeat of what happened in Shakahola. He also promised to clear the backlog in the issuance of passports. Fred Kagonye reports.
Interior CS Professor Kithure Kindiki has said that the government is investigating the return of the outlawed Mukingi sect. Kindiki, who was addressing the media at Harambee House, however, refused to reveal whether former President Uhuru Kenyatta is facing a probe over the same, instead saying that no one is above the law.
Any person who is involved in encouraging crime, doesn't matter their rank in society, they have a debt with me and my officers.
Kindiki also warned that police officers who sleep on the job will get fired instead of getting transfers, as has been the norm. He said this would keep them on their toes in their service delivery.
It will not be enough to transfer public officers whose conduct has clearly gone outside the services they are going to provide, and the public confidence has been lost, because transferring such an officer is transferring a problem.
The CS revealed that the exhumation of mass graves in the Shakahola forest would resume on Monday after the completion of the second phase of post-mortem on the recovered bodies. He assured Kenyans that police are investigating other religious leaders in connection with extremism.
And I am afraid we have more mass graves in Shakahola which are not opened.
On the issue of delays in the issuance of passports, the CS said that the government has repaired the printing machine that had broken down and would clear the backlog in the next 21 days.
Once the backlog is cleared, any Kenyan from any part of the country who apply for a passport must get it in 7 days. If it is a medical, educational, or other emergency application that has clear deadlines, that passport must be produced and given to the applicant within 24 hours.
Fred Kagonye, KT News, Nairobi.
And just days after President William Ruto